welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and today we are going to be weaving daisy chains. So without further ado, let's get things started. So today I'm out here in my garden and I just thought, why don't we do some weaving activities, because I haven't posted in a while. So we're just going to be collecting some supplies that you can find in your backyards to make a daisy chain or headband, whatever you pick. So the first thing you'll need is willow tree branches or some sort of bendy branch. They're nice and bendy and they should work. Next thing will need is some flowers. Now this is a choice. You can use just them, but I think a proper daisy chain should have some bright pigment in it. So I have a huge collection of flowers, so let's go harvest. The flowers I'm using today is a rhododendron bush flowers. They're nice light pink, so I think they'll go really well with the willow branches I picked. This is the tree I got my branches from. It's such a beautiful one, I couldn't help but take some. Make sure you do not get any bees or wasps or whatever might be pollinating. I only need one. You just snip off, grab and go. Also be careful with the scissors because no one likes to cut themselves. Third thing you'll need is rubber bands or string, whichever you choose. This is just to hold the willow branches together while weaving. And you don't have to use these, I just find they're easier. So your first step is to just take the rubber band and loop it around the end of your willow branches. Make sure they're all in the same end. You can remove the leaves. I like to keep them on because I find it has a more natural look. But it's just your preference. Is just braiding the willow branches through each other. Now if they get stuck, like mine are doing right now, feel free to separate them and even remove some of the leaves if you have to. Once you've braided most of your daisy chain, leave a bit of the end if you're going to do a headband. But if it's just a regular daisy chain, then braid the rest. I'm going to show a headband as well because it's less simple. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to take this end and just weave it through the braiding that was already there. You might have to separate a little. This is removing the rubber band, or one of the last steps at least, and then adding your flowers of your choice. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to put it in time lapse so it's not too boring, and I'll slow it down to add the flowers. Need to at the end, just if you can't weave them through, of course, just loop your rubber band around and we'll cover it in flowers after. So now we have our woven chain. You can remove any excess leaves you don't want. I have way too many on here. And then we're gonna grab our flowers and whoop, and then push them through a nice opening. And just do that all the way around. There you have it, a nice simple daisy chain. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am doing a subscriber contest, so all you have to do is subscribe and you'll be entered into a draw to win a packet of bluebell seeds and a hand-painted bee poster. Well, bee anatomy, of course. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.